Hey what's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Sandeep Singh और आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे how to get a clear skin। आज की वीडियो में मैं बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूँगा जो लोग अक्सर या तो भूल जाते हैं या तो इग्नोर कर देते हैं। Then they start wondering कि मैं ऐसा क्या गलत कर रहा हूँ कि मेरी स्किन ठीक नहीं हो रही है। What it is? First you need to understand that having a clear skin is not just about following a certain skincare routine. It's also about how you take care of yourself, how you take care of your body. Because if you're not taking care of yourself, if you're not giving your body what it wants, it will never give you what you want, and one of them is clear skin. So in this video, I will tell you 6 things that you should be doing in order to get a clear skin. So let's dive straight into the video. Number 1 on the today's list is eating healthy. Obviously, if you're not eating healthy, your skin will never going to improve. I see most of you guys eat fast food, sugar and all the unhealthy stuff and then start thinking, why aren't I getting clear skin? I mean, come on man. That's your body's way to tell you that stop eating unhealthy stuff. It needs healthy, nutritious food. That's why you get those pimples and acne. So start eating healthy food. So number 2 on the today's list is drinking a lot of water. And guys, I can't stress this enough how important it is to remain hydrated, as we all know that our body is 70% just water. So in order to maintain that percentage, we need to drink water. Because हम पानी कम पिएंगे और हमारी बॉडी में पानी की क्वांटिटी कम हो जाएगी तो ऑब्वियसली वो हमारी स्किन पे दिखता है, हमारी स्किन ड्राई हो जाती है एंड फ्लेकी स्किन इज़ नॉट गुड। ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने आज पानी पीना स्टार्ट करा और आपको कल रिज़ल्ट मिल जाएगा। इट टेक्स टाइम। कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर। सो drink a lot of water. So number 3 on the today's list is keeping your stress level as low as possible. I understand you might have a stressful situation or stressful relationship or a stressful job or maybe it's a family issue. ऐसे में हम अक्सर stressed out हो जाते हैं और अक्सर कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं, but it's very important that you keep your stress level as low as possible. So I recommend you go for a walk or a run or try to do meditation or go out, just meet your friends. So it's very important to keep your stress level as low as possible क्योंकि stress हमारी बॉडी के लिए बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होता। Stress हमारी बॉडी को काफ़ी डैमेज करता है. It also causes premature aging as well. So keep your stress level in check and you are good to go. So coming on to number 4, stop smoking. First of all, it's not cool, and second, it's really affect your skin. In fact, it really affects your overall health. So stop smoking, guys. So number 5 on the today's list is get a solid skincare routine. And by solid means ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई खतरनाक सा 6-7 स्टेप वाला स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉलो करना है। बहुत ही बेसिक सा स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉलो करना है जो कि आप डेली फॉलो कर सकें। ऐसा नहीं कि आज कर लिया कल नहीं करा या कल कर लिया परसों नहीं करा। You have to be consistent. If you want me to make a video on a skincare routine, do let me know in the comment section down below and I'll make a video on that too. So coming on to number 6, please make sure you are getting enough sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, because if you're not sleeping well, that's the reason why you look like a zombie the next day. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. और अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो please hit that subscribe button and be the part of YouTube family. So bye bye, take care and I'll see you in the next.